In this video, you'll learn how to create an eBay seller account. By following these steps, you will establish your account and prepare to start selling on eBay effectively. Begin by visiting the eBay homepage. You will find the register option prominently displayed if you do not already have an account. Click on this button to proceed. A registration form will appear, prompting you to fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, and the secure password. After entering this information, click the sign up button to submit your details. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Check your inbox and click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Once this is completed, you can log into your account. Next, navigate to account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the eBay homepage. In the drop-down menu, select account settings to access your account management options. Here, you will choose the option to start selling. You will be required to provide additional business information, including your address, phone number, and identification details for verification. Make sure to enter accurate information, as eBay may request identity verification documents for compliance purposes. Additionally, you will need to add your bank account information for payouts. This step is crucial for ensuring you can receive payments from your sales. After entering your information, carefully follow all instructions provided during the verification process. This may take some time, and eBay may need to review your submitted documents. It is important to monitor your email for any updates or requests for further information. Accurate and complete information will help prevent any future issues with your account. Once the verification is complete, you can access the Seller Hub from your dashboard. Look for the Seller Hub link in your account menu. This area contains various tools and resources designed to assist you in managing your sales. Familiarize yourself with the listing tools and seller policies available. To create your first listing, click on the Create Listing button. This action will direct you to a form where you can set pricing, shipping options, and payment details for your item. Review all the details of your listing before publishing it. Ensure that your pricing and shipping information are accurate, as these elements can significantly impact your sales. Once everything is in order, click the Publish button to make your listing live. Congratulations, you are now officially an active eBay seller, ready to start your selling journey. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.